Here's the platform, the strategy, and I'm giving you the whole plan today, including my link, because I'm not gatekeeping this one. So go ahead and scan this QR code to get started. Hi everyone, I'm Jordan E. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. Today we're talking about Freecash, specifically the referral program. And most people don't even know that it exists. Now, if you are brand new to Freecash, I have a full review video that breaks down exactly what it is, how it works, and how real people are earning real cash on it. That video is linked right here. And I want you to watch it after this because it'll give you the full picture. But today we are talking about the referral earnings opportunity specifically, because when I actually sat down and mapped out the numbers, I had to share this. The potential here is real, and I think a lot of people in this community are leaving serious money on the table by not knowing it exists. So let's get into it. And drop a comment right now. Have you tried Freecash? Have you heard of it? Yes or no? I want to know where everyone is starting from. Let's start with the numbers because I think they speak for themselves. The Freecash referral program pays you 2 ways per person you refer. Stage 1, the moment your referral downloads and opens their first offer, you earn $2.50 instantly. No waiting, no conditions. They just have to get started. Stage 2, when that same person makes their first cash out, you earn an additional $10. So on top of the $2.50 you already got, one referral who completes both stages will get you $12.50. Now, here's where it gets interesting. My daily goal is 20 signups per day. 20 referrals a day at just the install is $50 a day. 20 referrals a day, if half of them cash out, is $150. 20 referral, and if all of them cash out, $250 a day. That's $7,500 a month at full conversion. And even at 50% conversion, that's $4,500 a month. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that everyone is going to hit those numbers right away, but I am going to show you exactly how I'm approaching this platform by platform so you can see what's realistic and what's possible. Glow Squad, let me make this real clear because understanding both stages is what makes this opportunity so much better than a typical referral program. Most referral programs pay you once. Someone signs up, you get a few bucks, and that's it. Freecash pays you twice. Stage 1 fires the moment your referral installs and opens their first offer. You don't have to do anything else. That $2.50 hits automatically. Stage 2 fires when that same person makes their first cash out, meaning they've actually used the platform, earned money, and decided to withdraw it. Then that's when you get your $10. The beauty of this 2-stage is that the people who get to cash out are the people who actually tried the platform and found value in it. So you're being rewarded for referring people who genuinely engage, not just people who clicked the link and bounced. And here's the thing about Freecash that makes this realistic. It's a legitimate platform with real payouts through PayPal, crypto, gift cards. It's free to sign up. There's no catch for the people you refer. They're just going to do what they were going to do anyways. Play games, complete offers, earn cash. And you get paid when they do. My link is in the description box right now in the pinned comment, and it's completely free to sign up. Let me walk you through exactly how I'm thinking about hitting 20 signups a day, because this is the part that actually makes the strategy work. I mapped out what you can expect from each platform per 1,000 impressions. These are estimates. YouTube community posts. Out of every 1,000 people who see a community post, about 5% click, and then out of those, 10% sign up, giving you roughly 5 signups a day for 1,000 impressions. So that's $12.50. But if 50% of them actually cash out, then that's $25. Now think about that for a second. This channel right here, the community tab, if I post consistently and drive even modest impressions, that adds up fast. Reddit, okay? This is actually the highest performing platform in the data. A 6% click-through rate, which would be 6 signups per 1,000 impression, giving you $15 for those installs. At 50% conversion, that's $30. If you haven't considered Reddit, then you might want to look into it. Next, we have Facebook groups at a 4% click-through rate every 1,000 impressions. So that would be a roughly $10. And at your 50% conversion, then it's $20. And you can find work from home groups, side hustles, make money online. It's a bunch of different groups on Facebook. Instagram and TikTok have a 3% click-through rate per 1,000 impressions. So that could yield you $7.50 or $15 if 50% of them cash out. Use things like your screenshots, progress from your games. Those type of things drive curiosity and clicks on those platforms. If you're curious about Facebook organic, then that is typically a lower performer with a 2% click-through rate, unless you already have an engaged personal page or following. So the strategy is simple. You don't have to dominate every platform. You pick one or two that fit what you already do and how you show up online, and you stay consistent. The numbers compound over time. Let me show you what the numbers look like over time, because I think this is where it really starts to land. At 20 signups a day, which is across multiple platforms, which makes it genuinely achievable with consistent effort. So the daily amount of money that you can earn with a 50% cash out conversion is $150 a day. Weekly, $1,050. Monthly would be $4,500, and yearly $54,000. And if you had a 75% conversion, monthly would be $6,000. Yearly, it would be $73,000. At 100%, it would be $7,500 a month, or over $91,000 a year. These are predictions based on hitting 20 signups a day consistently, and that takes real effort and consistency. I'm not going to pretend like it's going to happen overnight, but here's the thing: even at 5 signups a day, you're still looking at over $1,000 a month at a 50% cash out conversion. And that's from sharing a link to a platform that's genuinely free, genuinely pays out, and genuinely helps people earn extra income. There is no product, there's no inventory, there's no sales pitch. Just sharing something real with people who can benefit from it and getting paid when they do. So drop a comment and tell me, what platform do you think that you would want to share this on? I'm just curious to see what the community is working with. And now I have to say this because some people see referral links and immediately think, oh, they're just trying to make money off of me. And I get that. And I understand why that skepticism exists. But I'll be honest, yes, I get paid when you sign up through my link. $2.50 when you get started, and $10 if you cash out. That is real. And I hope that you cash out. But here's the thing: free cash is free to sign up, it's real money. And I showed in my review video exactly how it works. So that is linked. The referral program is something the platform built specifically for people who want to share it. And me sharing the full earning plan, the numbers, the platform breakdown, and the strategy, that's me showing you the other side of this completely. I'm not gatekeeping. I'm not just dropping a link and saying, trust me. I'm showing you the exact same plan that I'm using for myself, and saying you can run this exact same play. Use my link because I shared the real information, and then go run it yourself. That's the deal, and I think it's a fair one. My link is in the description box right now. Free to sign up, real payouts, and a referral opportunity that you now have a full roadmap for. Here's something I want you to see because I think it ties everything together. On this channel, I talk a lot about building income that doesn't require you to trade every single hour of your time. AI job training opportunities that are remote, flexible, contractor roles. The whole theme of what I cover here is your skills and your time are valuable, and you deserve income structures that protect both. Freecash referrals fit perfectly inside that same philosophy. You set it up once, you create content or post around it, and then that content can keep working for you while you sleep, while you're at a therapy appointment, while you're at the park with your kids. A YouTube community post doesn't clock out. A Reddit comment doesn't take a sick day. This is what income without constantly trading your time actually looks like in practice. Multiple streams, multiple platforms, each one working in the background while you live your life. For me, as a mom whose time is genuinely not fully my own, this kind of compounding, set it, intended income is everything. And I want that for you too. All right, let me wrap this up with exactly what I want you to do right now. One, if you haven't watched my full free cash review video yet, go watch it. It's linked right here. And it gives you the complete picture of what free cash is, how it works, what real earnings look like on the platform. So you want that context before you start sharing it with other people. Two, sign up through my link in the description box. I'll also have it in the pinned comment. It's free. There's no reason not to. And now you know exactly what happens when you do. I get $2.50 when you get started and $10 when you cash out. Full transparency, no surprises. Three, decide which platform you're going to start with. Is it going to be the YouTube, Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? Pick one that fits how you already show up online and start there. Consistency on one platform beats scattered effort on five. Four, drop a comment below and tell me your plan. Which platform are you starting with? What's your daily sign up goal? I want to hear it and I want to cheer you on. Five, share this video with someone in your life who is looking for real, legitimate ways to earn extra income from home, because now you have the full roadmap and sharing it is literally the first move in the strategy. Subscribe if you haven't already. I cover AI training opportunities, remote work, and real income strategies every single week, and I will see you in the next one.